Hey, welcome back to the Owwll App, the new platform in Connect Media, pioneers in how to connect truly and authentically. I wanted to explain in this little tutorial how you use the timer feature to turn yourself on or available to receive inbound phone call communications. So real quickly, you can see this little timer pop-up, which usually pops up the second you open the app. What I want to do is just show you some other cool things. All right, so there you're going to see it's at 00, and you can see that you can slide it up to 1 hour, or you can change or add minutes as well. You can go up to 2 hours long, and then you just hit the little save button. All right, so now you see that 1 hour, 59 minutes. Hit the little X, closes that out, slide over, and there you can see Jason R. Hill is now live. Now you'll notice here that his call buttons right here are not active, even though he is looking at his own profile and he is active. You know why that is? That's because you can't call yourself. They're not going to let you pay yourself to call yourself. Okay. Now let's go back to the home screen and we'll show you if you open the pop-up back up. So let's just look at this now, because all you had to do was click that little number at the top of the screen. Let me see if I can go back just a hair here and show you that. All right, let's see here. Should be, whoop, I need to go back just a smidge. All right, so right there, you're going to see at the top this 120. If you click on that, that shows you how many minutes you have left that you are live. If you click on that, you're going to see it pop up, this next pop-up, and that brings you back to this window, or brings your availability timer pop-up back out. To turn yourself off, maybe you have a phone call or your partner calls you for dinner, you can just slide this toggle switch off, and that will turn you off. All right, so pretty simple. You can literally just turn yourself off, and that will kill the timer and make you unavailable. Okay, pretty cool. There you go. Now you're back off. So now it's pretty simple. So pretty easy timer. If you have questions on that, definitely let us know. All right, have a great day. I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.